Hey guys, welcome back. So as I had shared with you in the previous video that I am going to tell you about what is the concept of value selling and how can you actually go out there and provide value to the next person so that they will give you money, they will give you wealth and you can earn a lot of wealth. Now, when I say value, I don't mean actually a product or I don't mean actually some sort of a service, which I will cover in next set of videos what a product is, what a service is. But what I want to share with you right now is that when you say value, it can have multiple variety of different meanings and you cannot decide what is value to a person A and what is value to a person B. So let me take an example. If there is a child, a 10-year-old kid, for him value would be a chocolate bar because you know most likely that he is going to appreciate eating that chocolate. So if you give him a chocolate, he is most likely to give you money, which is why most of the grocery shops contain all sorts of cheap or not exactly even cheap, low value products or USP in their shops. Now if there is a parent that is working 19 hours or even 12 hours in a day and has to work in order to provide for their family, but also has a kid, a 6-year-old kid or a 12-year-old kid to take care of. Now if you come in and say to them, hi, I will take care of your child for this duration when you are going out there and you are working. Instead, you will pay for the time that I spent for him. So in that instance, the babysitter or the caretaker for the baby becomes the value seller, right? I hope you can understand and you can relate to me on this manner. Now, there is a businessman who has to travel all over the globe for many meetings and he does not have he is not able to get a lot of done because he has lot of clients, but he is not able to meet with every one of them within the same month. Now, if you go out there and build a software like Skype and say that you can sit in the vicinity of your home, you cannot be tired, and you can still meet with all of your clients to maintain your relationship with them, then the businessman would say, yes, this is valuable to me. This is what I actually needed. This is what I was looking for. So this is the concept of value selling. So every business that you look at, be it Google, be it Facebook, be it Microsoft, or even if you were to talk about local companies such as Big Basket, such as Byju's, or whatever the company may be it Lenskart, each of those companies have a value proposition that they sell to the customer or they sell to the investor. And based off of this value proposition, they get valued. Their value economics is done. So recently, you must have gotten to know about that Byju's just got valued for more than $1 billion, more than $5 billion, and the founder, Mr. Baiju Ravindran, just got its net worth shoot up to 1 billion. So how did that happen? Did he make all that money? Did he make $1 billion? No. He was able to create a market value for $1 billion for himself, that people who value him, who know him, know that he is worth $1 billion. This is the concept of value selling. I hope that you were able to understand the points that I was trying to make and relate to the examples that I shared with you. If you want more videos like this, please share this one. I'll see you for the next time. Don't forget. See ya.